alone. Starved for the sound of another voice, any voice, I would rush to my valley of the echo.
The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside still waters. He restoreth my soul. My soul!